Ever dreamed of working in a company that's not just building the future, but actually living in it? A place where innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's the heartbeat of everything we do? Well, if that sounds like something you'd thrive in, then you're probably curious about Lunar. But how exactly do you even get your foot in the door at a company like this? Don't worry, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. First things first, let's talk about the Lunar culture. We're a team of passionate, driven individuals who believe in challenging the status quo. We're all about finding creative solutions to complex problems, and we foster an environment of collaboration and continuous learning. So, if you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced, dynamic environment and loves to think outside the box, then Lunar might just be the perfect fit for you. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, the application process. The first step is to explore the open positions on our careers page. We're always looking for talented individuals in a variety of roles, from engineering and design to marketing and sales. Once you've found a role that excites you, take some time to research the team and the specific responsibilities of the position. This will help you tailor your application and demonstrate your genuine interest. Next up, your application itself. A strong resume and cover letter are essential. Your resume should highlight your relevant skills and experience, while your cover letter should explain why you're interested in the specific role and how your skills and experience align with Lunar's values. Pro tip: personalize your cover letter for each position you apply for. It shows that you've done your research and are genuinely interested in that particular role and team. If your application catches our eye, you'll be invited for an interview. Our interview process is designed to get to know you as a person and understand your skills and experience. You can expect a mix of behavioral questions, technical assessments, if applicable, and a chance to meet some of your potential future colleagues. Remember, the goal is to showcase your personality, your passion for your work, and how you can contribute to the Lunar team. Here are a few tips to increase your chances of success. Highlight your unique skills and experiences. What makes you stand out from the crowd? What are your unique strengths and accomplishments? Be prepared to discuss your projects. Have a few examples of your past projects ready to discuss and explain how you contributed to their success. Ask insightful questions. This shows your interest and engagement. Prepare some thoughtful questions to ask your interviewers about the role, the team, and the company culture. Follow up. After your interview, send a thank you note to each of your interviewers. This is a great opportunity to reiterate your interest and enthusiasm. At Lunar, we believe in creating a workplace where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered. We offer competitive benefits, opportunities for professional development, and a culture that encourages innovation and collaboration. We're committed to building a diverse and inclusive team, and we welcome applications from all backgrounds. So, if you're ready to join a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we encourage you to apply for a role at Lunar today. Visit our careers page to explore open positions and start your application journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.